Good morning, everyone. Oh my goodness. Last night we had like a windstorm that came in the middle of the night. It was not like those good windstorm, if I would say. I had my van rocking way more than last night, but it was kind of like quiet for a little bit, for a couple of seconds, and there's like and we have a couple of trees behind me, smaller tree, but they were making a lot of noise and Kitty was scared. And we even have like probably branch or thing that flew to the van a couple of times, or that woke me up too. And yeah, that happened all night. So I didn't have the best sleep. I prefer when it's like windy but steady kind of, you know, you just have your van rocking like this, you fall asleep a little bit. But last night it was just like quiet, like the rain was just falling on top of the van, and after that like and just like the rain was just smashing into the side of the van. It was just like quiet. It just so I'm making myself a second cup of tea. I kind of warm up mine because I forgot to, I was editing a video. So, and I'm gonna eat and we're gonna start the day, because I think even if we had a storm last night, that it's supposed to be sunny right now. So we had a couple of trees behind making a lot of noise, but we have a little bit of sun. Maybe we're gonna be lucky. You didn't sleep good last night, yeah? You were scared. And to warm up a cup of tea in the van, I just boiled like super hot water and put that in my cup of tea. And usually it's okay, so I can drink it now. That's what you do when you don't have a microwave. There's a rock slide in the back there. Oh my god! I was wondering why everyone was just like, where they had like fire truck and like what people was looking at. I saw like a big pile of water. I'm like, oh, maybe they have like flooding from yesterday. And I saw in the back, I'm like, oh no, they had like a mudslide. That's pretty crazy. So with all the rain that we got last night, I got an idea of going to see the waterfall that is in this town. Oh, they smell campfire. I don't feel to do that. Another one. So yeah, there's a big waterfall just here in this town that I never saw. I've been in this Campbell River town like several times, but never went to the waterfall, so I'm gonna do that. And Kitty, I think he's not gonna be able to come with me because there's apparently suspension bridge, and I think I saw the river on my way here and it's pretty high. So alright Kitty, see you in a couple minutes. Suspension bridge. So I just met a couple down the road and they give me the biggest good morning, like super big smile, good morning. And I'm like thinking about it, I'm like, we should do this more often to stranger, because they make me smile, they make me happy right now, just because it was so like super happy and like good mood, and I was like, yeah, I should do an effort at least for me to, you know, stranger, to tell them good morning. So good morning, guys. So there's a dam on the other side there, and I think when they need extra flow, need to let out some water, they use this little canal or whatever, because you can tell at some point it had water, but it's handmade. So I'm walking little bridge with no water underneath though. I'm gonna go for a mini walk around this parking lot with Kitty, so she gets a little bit of fresh air like every day. We try our best. As you can tell, they add some snow at one point here. Come here, it started raining, yeah? So it started raining. It was supposed to be sunny today. That's it, that's the only sun we have today. So I think I'm gonna do a project that I've been really thinking for a while. My van is a little bit messy. Maybe it doesn't look like it sometimes. I just put my camera in the in the best angle so you don't see too much of my mess, and maybe it doesn't look that messy, but for me it feels messy right now. And I do have a bunch of stuff that it's not the right place, that I didn't wear for a while, like clothes wise, that I should donate. Book, I think too, that I want to donate. I try to have a super small collection of books, but I try to you know, if I purchase a new one, that give one, so I don't have book in another place than my bookshelf. And right now I have stuff underneath the bed, book wise, so I'm gonna go over and donate what it's been a while that I have that I'm not gonna read again. And yeah, do a big cleanup, or maybe not that big, but do some kind of cleanup because I start to be busy. Alright, this is a bin. I have two bins on each side here. In fact, I don't have this one anymore, but I used to have two. And this is a mess. Like, good. I got like a ball. I got, what we got? Some shopping bag. I had my hat there. I had stuff that I use to take picture of my inside my cookbook to make things a little bit more pretty. It is a mess. A mesh bag, some paper for nothing. All right. So obviously I'm not gonna show you the whole process of me, like, you know, removing stuff with my bag, but I do have this huge flashlight that it's not van life friendly. It works, but when the whole van bill is gonna be done, I'm gonna put some stuff into my door, like flashlight, things like this, but not this one. Should I have some better ones? Maybe I should donate that one. So I have so much stuff that I still have this. I used to use this. It's a portable battery, mini battery thing. When I was living in my car, I didn't, my USB cigarette plug in the car was not working, and I didn't have any battery or any portable battery or anything like this for a while, for a full year I think. And so what I was using, because I was working as janitor, I was charging this at work, and this was giving me a little bit of battery to charge my phone if I need it. All the rest, my laptop, things like this, I was charging that. Sometimes I was bringing that at work and charging when I was working, or sometime, most of the time, if I needed to work online, I was going in the library. So it was free, and I had, like, you know, I could plug all my stuff there while I was working there. So, but this has been like at least 3 years since the last time I used that, and I'm not sure I'm gonna use it. So I think I can give that to someone that's gonna use it more than me. What we got? This whole bag full of cable. Yeah, no, Kitty. I don't even know what they're for, but we're gonna keep them just in case. That's how I work here. Oh my goodness, I have no idea what they're for. Alright, this is your toys, okay? Keep that. She's got a bag of toys. Those one, I keep them, hide them for her, and change from those one that she's got in the front dash from time to time. So she's kind of exciting. So I probably look exactly the way I look 10 seconds ago for you, but we have a little part of donation. I got 2 books that I'm gonna donate. This one, I've been having this one for like probably maybe 12 years. I read this book like a long time ago. Great book. I really like it. That's why I kept it for so long, but I think it did what it was supposed to do. Those what you call self-help book. This is probably what I consume, if you want, the most. And yeah, you take something and you move on to the next book. But yeah, and this one I purchased not long time ago, but I don't really like it. I purchased other anxiety book, if you want, that I prefer, and yeah, didn't like the way that it was written. So just the way it is. Hello, Kitty. I got some clothes. I used to wear jeans all the time. Probably if you watch the beginning of my video, I probably had jeans all the time, and I don't want to do anything to jeans anymore. I don't. I wear it the other day because I was like, okay, I don't have any laundry, clean laundry. I'm just gonna wear it, and I was so uncomfortable all day, and I was tired. I was like, maybe I should like keep it in case that I paint something that I just want to. Even that, I don't want. It's great. It's not so much to donate, but I like to do that. I like to do that quite often, to be honest. I've done that last summer. I opened the whole van and when I was seeing some of my friends. Kitty's playing. And I donate a bunch of stuff. And see, it's not over. We still have to donate. If I don't use something after a year, I have to donate. Like it's just annoying me, unless it's something special that I might reuse it, you know what I mean? But no, I need to donate things. Donation is done. I'm glad that this is all over and I got rid of all the little stuff that I needed. I hope you enjoyed my little simple little days with me. Kenny and I is gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. It kind of rained, so rain on and off, so we're just gonna chill in the van. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna see you the next time, and I'm gonna let you with Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty, it's your turn to give them a little kiss right there. Right there. Give that a little kiss. No kiss? Aw, Kelly. Kelly. It's because you're cute that we let you not work and not give kiss if you turn around. Alright. Well, I guess see you in the next one, guys.